Area I truly salute. Una dey welcome for football and Pidgin. After match talk am how you see am. Chelsea 2 and West Ham 1. And we get Oga Grant to be very ogbonge Chelsea fan make come tell us about how you see this game. Oga Grant, the way the match been dey go, first dey be like say West Ham bin wan come Stamford Bridge come carry 3 points go out, but last Chelsea come let them know say omo no level dem be big side. How you see Chelsea performance and wetin you think say change from wetin we see from the first half, because first half not dey impressing. How you see Chelsea performance for the second half?
Chelsea tried for the game, but me as a Chelsea fan, I believe say they fuck up because they get about 9 corners, they not fit convert one. Even me, I bet Chelsea to win, though, but without like I sit down for here, cash out
But
my
small
money.
fear because they catch you small.
And they score Chelsea now cash out, but Chelsea don't keep record this season, say they never lose for their home. They lose when they don't lose now away, and the defense they flop some kind because the goal when they almost score for 9 minutes now James go give back pass. So Chelsea need to work on that aspect. Then the manager too need to know how to arrange the player because the player say never get in first team like this. So now wetin I just see for the game. If they fit work on their first team, and I believe say if Aubameyang don't come, the top 9 go work well.
Balance well.
Yeah.
You talk about Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang now. I want to ask you because many people they fear say why him collect that Chelsea number 9 jersey. We don't see some players wey come Chelsea we collect that Chelsea number 9 we know they fit dey perform. Like the likes of Higuain, even Fernando Torres when he come from Liverpool, 50 million signing like that, he collect that number 9 in flop. So fear, how you see him as a Chelsea fan? You believe say Aubameyang fit break the course? Because some people say no course, no level, say na superstitious belief. But some Chelsea fans say they talk say why he collect that number 9 jersey. But you as a Chelsea fan, how you see this matter? Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang with that number 9 jersey.
Personally, na him favourite number. So me, I believe say him fit break that year because football na record breaking stuff. So if he just come do magic for the stuff. So Torres own, why me personally I know say Torres no go too excel because Drogba dey in top form when Torres come. So more just watch Aubameyang. Lukaku normally I know say he go flop for England. England never favour am apart from Everton, and Lukaku dey fit play for where him dey dominating. If he get competitors, he no dey fit perform. Check Man U. So I believe say Aubameyang go do well.
All right, now I want to ask you about the new signings now. We see Wesley Fofana for this game. Zakaria Day in there with Aubameyang. They show them for the stadium. They never play. But what do you get to talk about Wesley Fofana first performance now? Because that signing when intake come now block money signing. Now be Chelsea most expensive centre back signing. But this first game, we not say it's still early. But so far, what do you see? How you see the boy?
The guy dey very calm. I like the guy because he get good leg work. You understand? And me personally, at least I dey try for football, and I like person when he dey good with ball work. And the way when he take the mark ball clean, you know the aggressive. Yeah. So he dey calm. So I like him game. The only person when I know say he can't dey drop almost every game na Koulibaly. So I don't really know wetin be him problem, but no wahala. I believe say na football. Your time you perform well. When you not be your time, you go be like say na you bad pass. So I believe me, I be the fan. I love them from childhood. So I know if you talk say because they do bad, I can't no. I just believe say everything go dey okay.
All right, now, but for this game now, which player be your nice standout for you? Which player be your man of the match?
Right from time, Thiago Silva na my best player. Even when he dey he just dey from start to finish, no mistake. You understand? Then for if I wan give man of the match, even though say the person play few minutes, na Chilwell now give because he come, he score.
He changed things for the game.
He give assist, so he make wonders for them, and I pray make he continue with this form.
All right, now overall, with what you see so far this season, when you say Chelsea starts, get the way they we never say that high flying Chelsea. But what do you expect from the Chelsea team? You think say Chelsea go fit challenge Liverpool and Man City for the title, or what about top 4? How you see those two things in general? Challenge for title or top 4? What do you get to talk about that one for Chelsea?
Without being biased, I know say Chelsea normally na top 4 they go end, but they're not going even dey second. Me, I be Chelsea fan, they don't dey second. But third, fourth go favour Chelsea. They must go Champions League next season. That is just it.
So, but make I ask you about Thomas Tuchel's style now. I don't talk with different Chelsea fans. Some people they complain say Thomas Tuchel's style they defensive. But so far this season, how you see the manager's style? You think say maybe you get one or two things where you know they do well, or you get one or two things where they do well. Talk about the coach in general and his style for Chelsea.
The way I would take come in from the players aspect, I don't know. Normally, the coach not go fit play the ball. He go only give instruction. This na the same coach wey he give us Champions League. Now the question na wetin dey do those players. I don't know whether in management don affect the dressing room. But if na that one be the case, make dem work on the dressing room because I never see anything too bad. Just say this season e come dey more hot-tempered. So e be like say e dey lose in dressing room gradually with wetin I dey see. And most of the players wey you go expect make e use, e no dey use them. So I no know whether e get personal differences with them. You see wetin happen with Arteta and Aubameyang. No matter wetin upon all the things wey he do, they still let am go.
Yeah.
See person like Pep and Yaya Toure. So all those things, if any player go make Chelsea dressing room change, I believe say make him drop the person now that make him drop. Because I prefer am for all the coaches apart from Conte. Na him I prefer to coach Chelsea now.
All right.
So
Before I will let you go, Oga Grant, make I ask you about Edward Mendy. Before I call him Edward Mendy, what do you get to talk about Mendy's start to this season so far?
Mendy dey break person heart sometimes. He dey deliver. You understand? But so far so good. Now when you not expect am, he dey deliver, and when you expect am, he not dey deliver. Na wetin I fit talk about am. Just like today, the goal wey dem cancel so, though na foul, but naturally me I dey talk say make dem use am punish Chelsea. Why? He reacted late. The defender had normally defender na 9 minutes na anywhere belle face, not than go throw in. But him causing not than going back. If na person like Bampe dey, then I go. Because of the speed.
Yeah, because Ben go reach there, don't reach there with the ball.
So now say it just be. So I believe say him go do well, but make him not dey overconfident because in defense he dey porous. I prefer Rudiger to do my defense with Thiago and Fofana than this Koulibaly when he did there because one, you no go fit get everybody cool. You must get one rugged person.
Yeah.
So
we're gonna do those dirty work wey Rudiger been dey do last season.
Yeah, and that guy no fit do those dirty work. If na Rudiger dey there, go pack both that guy leg and the ball comot. So we believe in better days for Chelsea.
No be lie.
So now wetin I fit talk with that.
All right, now thank you, Oga Grant.